Evil Jeremy, Evil Phineas, Evil Ferb, Evil Candace, Evil Stacy, Evil Millie, Evil Ginger, Evil Holly, Evil Henry, Evil Polly, Evil Mrs. Alf, Evil King Thistle, Evil Isabella, Evil Addison, Evil Gretchen, Evil Queen Thistle, Evil Mr. Elf, Evil Katie, Evil Susie Johnson, Evil Ben Elf, Evil Princess Holly, Evil Daisy, and Evil Poppy and I going to watch Pitch Potch the Sound Machine.
Bye-bye.
Grab. Not the police again.
Evil Yellow Horse, Evil Jeremy, Evil Phineas, Evil Fred, Evil Candace, Evil Stacy, Evil Millie, Evil Ginger, Evil Holly, Evil Henry, Evil Polly, Evil Mrs. Elf, Evil King Thistle, Evil Isabella, Evil Edison, Evil Gretchen, Evil Queen Thistle, Evil Mr. Elf, Evil Katie, Evil Susie Johnson, Evil Ben Elf, Evil Princess Holly, Evil Daisy, and Evil Poppy. You 24 are under arrest for watching Pitch Pop's The Sound Machine. You know that show is only for good people. You 24 are in deep trouble. Now come with me to the police car right now. Evil Yellow Horse, Evil Jeremy, Evil Phineas, Evil Fred, Evil Candace, Evil Stacy, Evil Millie, Evil Ginger, Evil Holly, Evil Henry, Evil Polly, Evil Mrs. Elf, Evil King Thistle, Evil Isabella, Evil Edison, Evil Gretchen, Evil Queen Thistle, Evil Mr. Elf, Evil Katie, Evil Susie Johnson, Evil Ben Elf, Evil Princess Holly, Evil Daisy, and Evil Poppy. I can't believe you. You 24 will stay in prison until 2825. Now stay. Right now.
We all can't believe we all stay in prison until 2825. We will all get really old by then in 2825.
Utat do out in kill donet. No parked kester. To be continue don va.